Hey guys, if you don't have a big wallet or you have a sensitive skin, it's the best way to make your own ointments. I do it too. And what you have to have in your house always is like marigold ointments. So I'm going to make marigold ointment myself today. You take some dried marigold, add some oils. You can choose oils whatever you prefer. I use oil of oil and almond oil. Then you put them together in a pot and you heat them up. This is my pot with 700 milliliters oil and about 40 grams. Use every oil you prefer, Just Google on which oil is the best for your skin. In the meantime, while you're waiting, you can collect your other stuff. You have to have beeswax to make your herbal oil an ointment. So for this amount, I use 150 grams of beeswax to make this an ointment. You have to melt it later. Then I use this feeding syringe. You can easily use this for hot ointments to squirt it into those little pots, whatever pot you like. Only clean it well with alcohol. That's the only thing you have to make sure you do it. Clean it well. So now it's time to add the beeswax. So everything is melted now. So now it's ready to put it in all the pots. The only problem I have is that I cannot put it in the pots myself because I'm very weak in my muscles. So I always have to ask for help. Don't be afraid if you cannot do it yourself. Just ask people around you who can help you.